A lot of times you'll find yourself in a situation where that gobbler's hung up out there and won't come. You've tried everything except for maybe multiple calls, you know, trying to sound like different turkeys. And it's pretty simple. If you can run a diaphragm call a little bit, you throw a diaphragm call and maybe a friction style pot call. And this is how maybe I do a little bit of calling to maybe convince him that there's two turkeys coming. All you're doing is trying to convince that other bird that there's more than one turkey there, and that might be just enough to make him come in and check out your setup.